Hey guys, today we're going to talk about portals. And can you make one in real life? I mean, there's already portals in the games and TV shows, but I really wondered if we could do it in real life. So let's find it out. First, I found the closest thing to portals. They are called wormholes. No, it's not that wormhole, it's this one. So let's read off Wikipedia. Introducing a new show called How Many Words Does Cat Theorist Don't Know How to Read? A wormhole is a speculative structure linking disparate points in space-time and is based on a special solution of Einstein field equations. Theoretical models of wormholes postulate it is an adelic homogeneous sorry if I read that incorrectly, but subset whose imaginary field is an ideal in a Z-graded ring. A wormhole can be visualized as a tunnel with two ends at the separate points in space-time, different locations, or different points in time, or both. Wormholes are consistent with the general theory of relativity, but whether wormholes actually exist remains to be seen. Many scientists postulate wormholes are merely a projection of a fourth spital dimension analogous to how two-dimensional being could experience only part of three-dimensional object, Wikipedia says. We also need to know how long it can travel. According to Wikipedia, again, they can travel long distances, and I mean long as such as a billion light years or more. Or they can also travel quote-unquote short distances like other universes or different points of time. So we got all of this information, but how are we going to make a wormhole to act as a portal? Well, physicists proposed an answer in the form of wormholes or gravitational tunnels. The group showed that by creating two entangled black holes, then pulling them apart, they formed a wormhole. I talked like a nerd at that part, but what I'm trying to say is that wormholes are created with two twisted black holes, and then you can pull them apart. But we can't make it because, well, you need two twisted black holes, and as long as I know, we can't make a black hole, and even if we did, we would get sucked in it. So yeah, so long story short, they assume that there is some wormholes in real life, but we can't make them yet. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to support me, and thank you so much for 500 subscribers. It's really amazing, guys, and I thank you so much. And yeah, I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you later. Bye.